In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file a Schedule C in TurboTax. If you're self-employed, freelancing, or running a small business as a sole proprietor, Schedule C is the part of your tax return where you report your business income and expenses. In TurboTax, getting to that section is fairly simple once you know where to look. And in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to navigate there. To begin, make sure you're signed into your TurboTax return and looking at the main navigation area. From there, move your cursor to the income section. You don't need to click immediately at first if the menu appears on hover. Just position your mouse over income so you can access the related options. This is where TurboTax groups the different kinds of money you earned during the year, including job income, investment income, and self-employment income. Once that menu is open, click on Wages and Income Summary. This will take you to the main income overview page, where TurboTax organizes all the categories you may need to complete on your return. If you're not sure where Schedule C lives inside the platform, this page is an important stop because it acts like the hub for entering and reviewing income sources. After you're on the Wages and Income Summary page, look for the section labeled Self-Employment Income and Expenses. When you find it, click Start. This is the option that brings you into the workflow for entering your business details, income, and deductible expenses for Schedule C. TurboTax uses this guided section to collect the information needed to build that form correctly in the background. As you move into this area, it's helpful to have your business records nearby so the rest of the process goes more smoothly. That can include your income totals, expense categories, and any forms related to self-employment earnings. Even though this video is focused on how to get us into the Schedule C section, being prepared at this stage can save you time and reduce mistakes later. One quick tip: if you've already entered some business information before, TurboTax may show Edit, Review, or Continue instead of Start. The key is to open the Self-Employment Income and Expenses section so you can work on the Schedule C portion of your return. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated to the place in TurboTax where you can begin filing a Schedule C. From here, you can continue through the prompts and enter your business information step by step.